Is that grade ape right there? Sugriva. Is it
investing time?
Is it
Investing time?
Oh, I think it is. I think it is.
Hold up! Pump your brakes, partner. Now, before you guys invest, there's a few things to know before you start that could save you thousands of dollars down the road. So sit back, relax, and take some few notes. Now, before you even start thinking about investing, most financial advisors suggest that you do two things. Number one, pay off your debt with high interest rates. This means paying off your afterpay, your car loan.
Oh, shit, soda cup. Hey, come, we got the goddamn minutes of car here, soda.
Your credit card debt, the cousin that you owe money.
I would have give you the money.
You're not giving me you
I would have give you the money.
You're lying.
This will mean that your gains from your investments won't be nullified by the interest of your debt.
Yes, 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 yes. No, no, no.
The second thing they advise is get an emergency fund, a few months of your expenses. This is just to provide a peace of mind, cushion against any financial stress. And, well, if you can't build one,
Please get a damn job.
once you've paid off your debts and made an emergency fund, then you can start thinking about investing. So here are 5 things you should know before you start investing. The first being you need to understand your risk tolerance and time horizon. Where your risk tolerance is your ability and willingness to withstand fluctuations in the value of the investments. However, it should be noted that riskier investments should be taken with a longer time horizon. Now, this is because you have an easier ability to recover any of your losses. Well, I hope so. Because I'm still recovering from mine. And then the second thing is you also get to compound your gains earlier. If you're older or don't have the stomach to see your investments go down, then that's tough. You will probably have to go with a more conservative investment option. Anyhow, balancing your risk tolerance and finding your time horizon is crucial for constructing an investment approach that suits your goals and circumstances. Now that you understand your time horizon, whenever you do invest, make sure you don't pull out before then. It's one of the worst financial mistakes you can ever do. There have been studies showing that the best accounts have been ones where the account holder never touched them. Oh, because they're dead. Actually, nah, because they just forgot they had an account. If you try to time the market thinking that there'll be an economic downturn, then you have to be right again as to when it'll end.
Now what? Look at you. Stupid. Now I'm stupid, huh? I look stupid. That's what you're thinking? You look stupid. Dumb. Hey, and look, no returns either.
So to bypass this, the best thing to do is just simply invest monthly. Sometimes your investments will be up, sometimes will be down. But overall, based on historic data, it'll probably go up. Now in your investing journey, you'll see a lot of con men who will try to 100x your money. Shit, they got me with DAOs, man. They got me with DAOs. I mean, the math was mathing, man. Well, at least to me. But yeah, that was all fake.
Oh, it's fake. He got you.
Meme stocks and meme coins may seem attractive, but if it's too good to be true, then it most likely is. Something that has helped me with temptation is remembering what WB said. To be fearful when others are greedy, and to be greedy when others are fearful. When investing, make sure you diversify your investments to multiple asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, metals, maybe even crypto. We're not trying to put all of our eggs into one basket. The reason for this is just to minimize loss and risk. A recommended diversification by WB is the 90-10, where 90% of your investment capital goes to S&P 500 index fund and the remaining 10% goes to short-term government bonds. Just be wary that diversification has some downsides, such as missing out on potential gains in search of less risk, and may also lead to higher transaction fees. Talking about fees, make sure you check out the fees of using said product. You can do this by reading the product disclosure statement in Australia. In the United States and Canada, I think it's called the prospectus. In the EU, they use a term called the KID, Key Information Document. I know, it sounds scary to read. But just read, brother. Just try to read. I know how you're like, read? Do I look like Reed Richardson to you? Reed. I said, Reed. Man, shut this video off, man. Anyways, these documents show like the features, the risks, and the terms and conditions. But the most important thing to look out for is in the PDS is the example of fees that will be incurred if you had 50,000 or 10,000 of them. So if products are too good to be true, just check out that PDS. If the two products are similar, check out the PDS, see what fees they're charging, and just choose the cheapest one. Now, if you learned something new, make sure you show me some love when you're a millionaire. Stuff all that liking and commenting stuff, bro. Give me some cash money. I helped you get out the trenches, man.